Hey, in this video, I'll actually show you a few ways to fix the Snapchat glitch that people are experiencing in the last few months, especially in 2021 on any iPhone and on any Android device. I'll show you a few ways to fix it that are very simple, so make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. Before we start, make sure you give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm because each like helps us out a lot, gets us a few more views. Also subscribe if you're new to the channel. We just hit 13,100 subscribers, which is so cool. So each subscriber matters. We're going for 100k. And comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. And also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know. So what you want to do is you want to go, and the first thing is go on the settings on your iPhone or on your Android device. Go on apps on an Android device. On iPhone, click on general, then select iPhone storage, and you want to make sure you find Snapchat. It should be somewhere at the top. If you can't find it, you can just search for it above, but here it is. And you want to just offload the app and then just reinstall it. On an Android device, it says clear cache. The idea is to just reset most of the settings. This is basically the first thing you can do. The second thing is making sure you have the latest version of Android or iOS installed, and also the latest version of Snapchat, because sometimes these glitches occurs. They have a ninja fix or something, and you want to make sure you go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, type in Snapchat, and update it to the most recent version. So this is another thing you can do. Another thing is just going to your settings, finding Snapchat, and making sure a few options are on. So go down to Snapchat, click on it, and you want to make sure you have cellular data or mobile data on, background refresh on, and most of these services on, so you can have all of the functionalities. And if none of that works, your best chances are to just contact their support, submit a ticket that you have some issues. But even a simple step like just restarting your phone can help out. If this video helped you out, give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this for your value. So each like helps a lot and we will help you. So if you have any questions whatsoever, comment them in the comment section down below. We will try to get back to them ASAP. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.